There's a concept of obviously serverless, and it's pretty much attached with microservices. Is it one and the same thing or different?
No. Serverless is different, but it's connected in certain ways. So serverless is a compute platform, right? Like serverless means that instead of having a VM or a container where you decide what operating system you want, what libraries, and all of those things, and you package them all together, and then you run your code on top of it. Most software do not require that. Most software just comes up, it needs to run, do something, either through an event or at a particular periodic interval, and then just do what it does and go away. Serverless is that concept that you can just throw functions at it or code at it without having to worry about packaging that code or learning about Linux and the intricacies of underlying operating systems or managing a big fleet of compute that runs your application. So serverless is that concept. So a microservice can have multiple serverless components, and it could have other components that are packaged as containers or VMs. So they're not mutually exclusive. Okay. What you would put inside of a serverless function, what business logic would you put inside a serverless needs to be more thought through, even inside of a microservice. So there should be things that are very generally stateless. They need to finish in a certain amount of time, and they don't have very high memory and those type of I/O requirements. So those are the kind of things that just you either run periodically, some small task, something simple, you just run it and does its task and goes away, either triggered through an event or through a periodic interval.